Today's Finnish recipe is potato flatbread. Perunarieska. We need some potato mash, flour, just the normal flour, 1 egg and some salt. Let's measure first about 1.5 cups of potato mash. And then let's add 1 egg. This will bring a bit of fluffiness to it. And usually 1 teaspoon of salt, but my potato mash was very not salted, so I'll add 1.5. I have already measured here 1.25 cup of all-purpose flour, so I'll add that bit by bit just to check. I don't add too much, but not too little. A little bit mixing the dough as I go, feeling it with my hands when it's a nice consistency and it doesn't anymore stick so much to my hands. It's time to clean the hands and maybe add a little bit of flour on top. Yes, and additionally you can of course use some flour when you are making the bread shapes on the table, I mean. So this time I'll be dividing the dough to 4 pieces. Usually I divide this to 8 or even 10 pieces to make very small ones. The flatbreads can be small or they can be bigger. You can choose to your liking. This time I wanted to have these really quickly and then I can, just cut them to smaller pieces. So I decided to make 4. They bake a little bit faster, of course, when they are smaller, but this time making big ones. So just form some dough balls with your hands, with some flour in your hands, and then pat them flat, like that. And then a little bit of holes with the fork, so adding those just for decoration or to keep them flat, for both reasons of course. I have here preheated oven, 480 Fahrenheit, 250 Celsius, so hot oven. I'll put here 10 minutes and I'll go and check how they are, because if they were smaller, in 10 minutes they would be quite ready already. But not, these are very, very white still, so they will need some attention. I'm checking how is the other side. I'll turn them around, that's not a big issue. Just turning them around also might be a good idea. Depending on your oven, of course, is the heat coming from the up or down. A couple of minutes later, I decided to turn a couple of them around just to make sure that they cook evenly or bake evenly. One thing why I love this recipe is that after this phase, when they are kind of almost ready, you just leave them to the oven, turn off the heat and leave them to the oven for 5 minutes or so. Or even a bit longer, no worries. These breads are best enjoyed right after baking, when they are still hot, with butter of course. And you can later on also reheat them. And now to enjoy.